So Mr. Batzler and I have just come back from a rescue. We picked up Mr. Forrest here. He's in a filthy mood. So he was called in by Colin. Colin found him low in his grevilleas this morning. So I think what's happened is that he may have come in to feed on the grevilleas and there just simply wasn't enough room for him to take off. It was quite a small yard. So he may have hit the house. But there's no injuries on him. See if you like another bit of none. There's always room for banana. There's always room for banana. So he'll be in care for a little while. He's got no injuries. There's nothing at all I can find on him. Everything's working well. So he'll have a little holiday in care until we're sure that he's not concussed or that there's no issues. And you can go home.
Oh, bam! Got the tree.
Tree is on fire. Look at that. Wow.
Got the tree again. Holy moly.
Incredible CG barrage just hitting the ground over and over.
Oh man, I'm next. Don't touch anything metal.